In this lesson, I'm going to talk about claiming your listing in the local directories. As I said in an earlier lesson, the search engines originally gathered business data from existing business directories, but they allow the business owners to grab control of these listings and modify them, adding and changing information. Most of these listings have not been claimed, but you really should claim yours. Start by searching for your business. You can sometimes find your business directly through the search engines and take control from there, but probably the easiest thing to do is to go to the search engine's local business promotional pages and begin by searching for your business. I found a business that hasn't yet taken control of their listing that I can use as an example, which of course is easy to do as most businesses haven't taken control. If the system finds your business, then you'll be able to grab control of the business, you'll be able to claim the listing. I'm not going to follow through these processes, they're pretty straightforward. Once you've claimed your listing, you may have to wait for a postcard or perhaps a phone call so that you can confirm that you are actually in control of that business. If you can't find your business, you'll be given the option to add your business to the directory. And as I mentioned earlier, sometimes you can find your business in the search engines, then claim it directly from the listing. In this case, for instance, I found the business in Google. And if I scroll down to the bottom of the listing, I see this little "Are you the business owner?" link. And here in Bing, there's a little "Do you own this business?" link. So one way or another, claiming your listing is easy, and these listings are free, although there may be some charges if you upgrade the listing in some manner. So once you've claimed it, what do? You add as much information as possible, thinking of keywords, of course. The first thing you want to do is make sure that the address and contact numbers are all correct, and make sure that they exactly match what you show in your website, because the search engines use this information to help correlate listings with websites. You'll also want to make sure the URL shown in your business listing matches your current active website. You'll be able to add a business description, the payment methods you accept, and operating hours. Use as much space as you can in the description and make sure you get good keywords in there. Add as many photos as you can and even video where available. In fact, fill all the fields you can. Put as much information into your listings as possible. Fill in all fields and fill them in as fully as possible. Take a few minutes now to get started. Go to the 3 major systems and see if your business is listed. If it is, claim the listing right away. If it isn't, then register it.